Is it better to have more in-house resources or prosperous working relationships? I say, why not have both? With that in mind, I'm Cameron Collins, CEO of Collins Creations 3D, and I'm here to humbly present our range of product and service opportunities specifically tailored to your business's interests and aspirations as ambitious engineers. We want to provide you with local access to 3D printing, 3D scanning and design consultation services that will innovate your business and inspire you to expand upon what you currently provide. Many say that to build a house you only need bricks, mortar, BIM data and a determined workforce. I respectfully disagree. I propose the best way to build anything is with all resources and parties involved being equally informed of the creative process of building logistics in as many meaningful formats as possible. The final build is the goal, but with the memories and valuable experiences created on the journey there, I say of equal merit and should be recognised as such. CC3D gives you the power to make your client's journey more accessible, understandable, memorable, and a means to show off what you do so well in an innovative, dimensionally accurate, digitally flexible, alternative format that will make your peers and future clients look twice. We're here to infuse a brand new tool set and equally passionate, supportive, and technologically minded partner to your workflow. At CC3D, we know that this can be achieved by embracing new technologies and processes, as well as adopting holistic principles into everyday workflows. Cornwall is worthy of so much, but often falls short of local business support it needs. I want CC3D, along with other businesses, to aspire to meet the demands of Cornwall and its people, as clearly embracing new technologies like your own has worked for us and our local economy so far. CC3D does not consider architecture and model making a point of fact. We have overcome many of the flaws of traditional model making, presenting you and your clients with accessible opportunities to benefit from. CC3D brings advanced manufacturing tools and expertise to the forefront of the engineering journeys you have with your clients and peers, leading to better B2B, B2C and C2C communication, aesthetic appreciation, expansion of your current service listings and greater successes overall. I hope you consider what we offer here of value, and following our services, we offer a selection of reward options to be used by you or your clients for future discounts on all CC3D purchases. Let's build a better future for you by redesigning your past. Thank you.